The 2022 Coachman Sports Coach RD402TS is a dream home on wheels. At 41 feet long, it's packed with luxury, making road trips feel like a five-star hotel stay. Inside, it has everything you need for ultimate comfort. 2 full bathrooms, a walk-in closet, and a spacious bedroom with an 80-inch bed. The kitchen is large and fully equipped, perfect for cooking on the go. It also comes with a 50-inch LCD TV, a porcelain toilet, a washer and dryer, and heated driver and passenger seats for a cozy ride. This motorhome isn't just about comfort. It's built for adventure. A powerful 360 horsepower Cummins diesel engine ensures a smooth drive, while solar panels and a backup diesel generator keep everything running. With a 100-gallon fuel tank and large water storage, you can travel for days without worry. Whether you're taking a family road trip, working remotely, or just enjoying the open road, the Sports Coach RD402TS has it all. A fold. Not everyone wants to stay in expensive hotels, and many travelers look for comfortable yet affordable places to stay. That's why A-Fold, an Italian company, has created modular homes that make it easy to set up vacation spots, glamping sites, and tourist retreats, quickly and affordably. These homes are built on screw pile foundations, which means they can be installed almost anywhere without complicated construction. Plus, the insulation is customized for hot or cold climates, ensuring year-round comfort. The basic model is 51 square meters and takes just 6 hours to assemble. It includes a kitchen, bathroom, living room, and a 15 square meter bedroom, everything you need for a cozy stay. If you need more space, larger models are available, offering up to 4 bedrooms with pre-installed plumbing and wiring. The only thing left for you to do is furnish it however you like. The ARB Earth Camper is built for adventure, ready to tackle the toughest terrains while keeping you comfortable wherever you go. Its durable, wood-free construction is designed to handle rough conditions, while superior insulation ensures a cozy camping experience in any weather. Inside, you'll find a spacious and practical setup. A queen-size bed gives you a great night's sleep, and there's plenty of storage for all your gear. With built-in USB charging ports and interior lighting, you stay powered up and comfortable no matter where you set up camp. The exterior is just as impressive. A slide-out kitchen makes outdoor cooking easy, and a freestanding awning provides shade and protection from the elements. The real game changer is the innovative chassis with long travel suspension, allowing you to navigate rocky trails and rough roads with confidence. Ayamaya Trona Trek Pack, your portable heater for cold adventures. The Ayamaya Trona Trek Pack is a must-have for staying warm outdoors. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just relaxing in the cold, this compact heating pad keeps you cozy. It combines a soft pocket with a built-in heater, making it perfect for sitting in a chair or snuggling into a sleeping bag. With 3 heat settings, it quickly warms up to 60 degrees Celsius in just 5 seconds, providing instant comfort. The 5,000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery lasts up to 3 hours on the highest setting, ensuring long-lasting warmth on chilly days. Designed for easy portability, it comes with a compression sack that lets you carry it like a backpack. Lightweight and travel-friendly, it's ideal for winter camping trips, outdoor sports, or even cozy nights at home. Bailey Discovery D4-2, the perfect travel companion. The Bailey Discovery D4-2 is a compact, comfortable, and easy-to-tow travel trailer, perfect for road trips and outdoor adventures. Designed for 2 people, it features 2 cozy beds and has the option to attach additional tents, effectively doubling the living space, great for extended vacations in scenic locations. Despite its lightweight build of 1.1 tons, this trailer offers everything you need for a comfortable trip. Measuring 5.6 meters in length and 2.2 meters in width, it comes equipped with a kitchen, shower, and toilet, ensuring convenience on the go. One of its most impressive features is the large curved front window, which lets in plenty of natural light and provides breathtaking views of the outdoors. The CMC Athena isn't just a motorhome, it's a luxury apartment on wheels. Designed in Italy, this massive vehicle offers an incredible 1,076 square feet of living space, making it one of the most spacious motorhomes ever built. At 44 feet long, it expands to nearly 20 feet wide in just 30 minutes, creating a home-like atmosphere wherever you park. Whether you need a space for work, relaxation, or entertainment, the Athena has it all. Host a business meeting, throw a dinner party, or simply unwind after a long day. There's even a spacious outdoor terrace, perfect for a barbecue. Inside, the stylish and modern design makes it feel more like a high-end apartment than a motorhome. The interior is filled with top-quality furnishings, a fully equipped kitchen, and plenty of smart appliances. Even the bathroom is surprisingly roomy, providing maximum comfort on the road. With the Athena, you don't have to choose between travel and luxury. Coast Model 1 is a fully electric luxury RV designed for modern adventures. Built with high-quality materials and the latest technology, it's reliable, stylish, and packed with features to make life on the road easier. With smart home integration, you can control everything from lights to temperature right from your phone or iPad. Need internet in the middle of nowhere? Starlink keeps you connected wherever you go. Inside, comfort is the priority. The cabin is fully insulated, keeping you cozy in winter and cool in summer. The sleek black and white exterior gives it a bold, modern look, while the interior is designed to feel like home. This RV isn't just about looks. It's made for real-life adventures. Whether you're camping in the mountains, parked by the beach, or exploring new cities, the Coast Model 1 offers a worry-free and comfortable experience. With its cutting-edge design and thoughtful features, this RV is perfect for those who love to travel without sacrificing comfort. Kalani RV. The Kalani RV looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Designed by a team of 300 experts, this 16-meter-long motorhome took 5 years to build. When parked, it expands by 3 meters, creating 40 square meters of living space. And if that's not enough, you can even relax on the rooftop. Inside, it's all about luxury and comfort. The RV has a spacious living room for 6 people, a fully equipped kitchen, a dining area, a bedroom, a balcony, a bathroom, and even a sauna. It's more like a 5-star hotel on wheels than a regular motorhome. But this RV isn't just about looks, it's also built for performance. With a top speed of 120 kilometers per hour, it drives smoothly and efficiently. Its advanced aerodynamics help reduce fuel consumption by 30%, making it more eco-friendly than most large vehicles. This incredible luxury motorhome was built in China with a massive $3 million budget. The Conqueror Commander S is a tough, go-anywhere camper designed for true adventure. Made by Australian company Conqueror, this off-road trailer is built to handle rough terrain while keeping you comfortable, no matter how far off the grid you go. Inside, it feels like a home on wheels. A cozy double bed sits under a fold-out roof, giving you a great place to rest after a long day. The dining area is fully sheltered, so you can enjoy meals without worrying about wind or rain. Cooking is just as easy. The pull-out kitchen has a sink, stove, and refrigerator, so you can prepare meals outdoors whenever you need. On the other side, a built-in water pump with a shower head lets you freshen up after a day of exploring. Storage is smartly designed, with cabinets built into nearly every vertical surface, giving you plenty of space for gear. Built for serious off-road adventures, the Commander S is the perfect companion for travelers who want both freedom and comfort. The Crawler OTAG 385 is a tough, adventure-ready expedition vehicle designed to take you beyond the beaten path. Built in Germany, this rugged home on wheels is perfect for off-road explorers and comfortably fits up to 5 people. Inside, it's packed with everything you need for a smooth journey. The fully equipped kitchen includes a 3-burner stove, sink, and a spacious fridge, making it easy to cook wherever you are. The bathroom comes with a shower, sink, and toilet, so you can stay fresh on the road. But the comfort doesn't stop there. The OTAG 385 features a 24-inch smart TV, LED lighting, and efficient air and water heating systems to keep you cozy in any climate. Solar panels provide sustainable power, allowing you to stay off-grid for longer. With its durable build, premium features, and ability to handle rough terrain, this vehicle is built for those who love adventure without sacrificing comfort. The Departure One by German company Caravan Boat is the perfect travel companion for those who love both road trips and water adventures. This unique camper isn't just for dry land. It doubles as a motorboat, giving you the freedom to explore wherever you want. With a compact width of 8.2 feet, it drives smoothly on roads like a regular camper. But when you're ready for a change, simply take it onto the water and enjoy a relaxing cruise. It's designed for easy transitions, making every trip exciting and effortless. Inside, the Departure One feels like a cozy home. It comes fully furnished with a kitchen, bathroom, and all the essentials for comfortable living. Large panoramic windows let in plenty of natural light and offer breathtaking views of your surroundings, whether you're parked in the mountains or floating on a lake. This all-in-one camper is perfect for those who don't want to choose between land and water. Whether you're driving, camping, or sailing, the Departure One makes every journey unforgettable. Expandable trailer. If you have a tractor unit and need a spacious, customizable trailer, this expandable model is a great choice. It's 14 meters long and expands to 62 square meters, giving you plenty of room for a mobile showroom, cafe, medical station, or any business setup. What makes it even better? You can fully customize it using the 3D configurator on the manufacturer's website. Choose features like transparent walls, custom lighting, and air conditioning to fit your needs. And don't worry about setup. It's designed for convenience. A single person can expand or collapse the trailer in just 20 minutes using a remote control. If a trailer isn't quite what you need, the company also offers cargo containers ranging from 8 to 13 meters with the same flexibility and features. This expandable trailer is perfect for businesses, events, or mobile services. iPoolGo, a compact tent that expands in minutes. What if you could carry a small, lightweight bundle and turn it into a spacious tent for 4 people in just minutes? That's exactly what iPoolGo offers, a smart and hassle-free way to enjoy camping. Despite starting as a compact 85 by 53 by 39 centimeter package, this tent expands to provide plenty of room for a bedroom and a living space. No more feeling cramped. With a 2.5 meter height, you can stand upright and move freely, making your camping experience far more comfortable than traditional tents. Whether you're setting up in the mountains, by a lake, or at a festival, this tent is built for convenience. It's easy to transport, quick to set up, and offers great comfort. And the best part? It's available for just $880, making it a budget-friendly option for outdoor lovers. If you enjoy spontaneous getaways and stress-free camping, I could be your perfect adventure companion. Ideal Portable Water Filtration System. Safe water anywhere. The Ideal Portable Water Filtration System is a compact and powerful device that ensures you always have clean drinking water, no matter where you are. Small and lightweight, it's designed for camping, emergencies, and outdoor adventures. This filtration system removes bacteria, viruses, parasites, heavy metals, and other harmful substances from almost any water source, even from a puddle or, in extreme cases, urine. It's fast and efficient, filtering 500 milliliters of water per minute, so you never have to wait long for a drink. The durable filters last up to 3,000 liters, providing long-term reliability. It's powered by 2 built-in 6,000 milliamp hour batteries, allowing up to 2,000 filtration cycles on a single charge. What if you could have a brand new home delivered one day and move in the next? That's exactly what Coda offers. Modern, concrete mobile homes that are ready in just 24 hours. These stylish homes come in sizes ranging from 20 to 45 square meters and are built for year-round living. Whether you need a cozy home, a small cafe, an office, or even a retail shop, Coda homes are designed to adapt to different needs. Even the smallest model includes a bedroom, living room, compact kitchen, shower, and storage space, so you have everything you need in a sleek, compact design. Thanks to their minimalist and smart layout, these homes feel broken and spacious despite their size. Installation is simple. Just place it on a flat piece of land with water, sewer, and electricity connections, and you're all set. For $135,000, you get a modern, fully functional home with no long construction delays. The Loki Expedition Ford F550 is the ultimate adventure vehicle, built for those who want to explore without limits. Designed on the tough Ford F550 chassis, it's made to handle extreme off-road conditions while keeping you comfortable wherever you go. Inside, it feels like home on wheels. A fully equipped kitchenette lets you cook meals on the road, a cozy sleeping area ensures restful nights, and a private bathroom adds convenience. With advanced climate control, you stay comfortable in any weather, whether you're camping in the desert or braving icy mountain trails. This vehicle is built for serious adventure. With reinforced suspension, all-terrain tires, and a powerful off-grid energy system, it can take on rough trails, rocky roads, and remote destinations with ease. Whether you're an overlanding enthusiast or a digital nomad looking for freedom, this expedition truck delivers both performance and luxury. With rugged durability and premium design, the Loki Expedition Ford F550 is more than just a vehicle. It's a home for explorers who want to go further. Starting at $560,000, it's built for those who dream big and travel even bigger. The living vehicle trailer is designed for off-grid living, giving you freedom and comfort anywhere. It comes with high-performance solar panels that generate up to 3.4 kilowatts of power, much more than regular rooftop panels. Once fully charged, it can run on its own for up to 2 weeks without needing extra solar energy. This trailer is more than just a camper. It can be used as a mobile office, a cozy vacation home, or even a workshop. Inside, it has sleeping space for 6 people, making it great for solo trips or group adventures.